gear secured. The wind is picking up fast.
Look at the snow, we have to get down. Tent is ripping. Hold on, the backpack. I'm going for it. Wait, don't go. Help, over here. Sarah! Sarah! He's alive! Start digging! I got him. He's breathing! Stay with us, buddy. Okay, turning them off now.
The GPS light is blinking. They have to see the signal.
Possible survivors, T. Sector 7-8.
This is our insertion point. Weather's closing in fast and we have less than an hour. Alpha team, you're up. Let's move. Secure that line.
Done! Clear for takeoff! The crosswinds are too violent. We're aborting the landing. Prepare for ground insertion. Secure the line! Get the anchor! Drive the axe in! Brace yourselves!
Let's move.
We have a narrow window before the weather closes in. Keep your intervals tight.
Team is green. Requesting permission to advance to waypoint Charlie.
Grab the ropes! No way back now. That's just a loss. Down the zigzag. K9, lead the way.
Acquired! Everyone stay tight! Let's go!
We can't reach you from here. Hold your position and wait for the line.
We're using the K9 as the communication relay. Get him ready! Go find him, buddy. We made it!
All right, team. Objective ready.
Get up! Move forward, now! See you! Hold on! Help us, please!
He's breathing. Survivors located. Requesting air evac.
He's alive! Extraction must happen now!
Extraction must happen now.
Clear the zone! Secure the line now! We are taking the patient up! Hold steady, watch the rotor wash!
Redbird, stand by. Crosswind spike, approach unstable.
HOLD! Second pass, ready the first stretcher!
Copy that. Expedite extraction.
You saved us.
Mission complete. All survivors recovered. No losses.
He saved us first, before they saved him.
Operation complete. 6 rescued. No losses. GRT 1, you are cleared to land pad 2. Welcome back.
Roger, ground.
You gave us life.
The LZ, incoming! Move, get the stretcher ready! Watch the rotor wash!
You're safe now. Just rest and let the medicine work.
We're getting you warm. We brought them all home. That's what matters.
Found him first. Yeah.
You're our guardian angel.